We are here at NAB Show New York. It's been 3 years since we connected with product experts, discovered alternative workflows, and were able to get our hands on recently released products. Maximizing efficiency is the end game, and there has never been a better, more intimate environment than right here in the Big Apple. Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Greg of Telos Alliance. Hello.
Hello, how are you doing, Ashley?
Very good, thank you. Greg, can you tell me a little bit about the company's position right now in the media and broadcasting industry?
Yes, so the Telos Alliance specializes in bringing innovative technology to broadcast. And we have a long history of innovation. So about 20 years ago, many people know that we really innovated the use of audio over IP. And that really has transformed the way our industry works.
Sure. And what are your latest developments?
So what we've been doing is we're focusing on taking advantage of the latest technologies from the IT industry. And what that is leading to is virtualized and containerized software. Bringing our broadcast products, our best of breed audio, workflow and broadcast products to the market as containerized software that can run on servers rather than fixed dedicated hardware.
And what trends are you noticing right now in the media, in the broadcast and media, as far as technology? How have you kind of adapted with that?
Sure. Well, it's exactly what I just mentioned. The trends we see are the people investing in building the facilities don't want to build rack rooms and hardware and have all of that physically on hand. They want to take advantage of servers, and as the demand allows and needs to go to the cloud to take advantage of that or not, or to have it on premise, to have that flexibility. So this is why the transformation really needs to go from selling hardware equipment to the same functionality as software suited for servers.
And so what territories are you really focusing on right now, or what territories show an interest in your products?
Sure, it's really global. This is one of the trends in our industry, and we know in broadcast, especially we came from radio broadcast, but we're also having a lot of penetration into television audio. We like to say that it's the audio guys that really pay attention to make sure the audio sounds good on TV. It's global, and the driver are the global platform technology companies. So we're really enabling broadcasters to use that for broadcast.
Very good. And can you tell us what we could possibly expect from you in the near or far future?
Yes. So as I mentioned, we see, these companies wrapping the planet in fiber optics and building world-class server farms. We will be delivering our broadcast products as software so we can use those platforms as the broadcast platform. And we're also focusing on, there's kind of 4 use cases. We see, and this is for small broadcasters to very large ones, at least 4, if not more, disaster recovery, remote production, high availability, and to have this flexibility. Sometimes you want to use your servers in-house, sometimes you want to use the cloud, sometimes you want that professionally managed part of the cloud, on your premises, what they're calling hybrid cloud.
Well, is there a website people can go to for more information?
Sure. It's telosalliance.com, and we show up at all the major trade shows, and I'm sure it's not too hard to get a hold of us.
There you go. So everyone be sure to check out their website. Thank you so much for speaking with us today.
Okay, thank you.